Welcome to this question review for transformational flow delivering the capability, question 8 in the practice paper. This is part A with 2 marks. No requirement here for additional information or the scenario itself. It's purely an application of managing successful programs. So let's have a look at some responsibilities for delivering certain parts. In this case, which role is responsible for aligning costs of developing the training with the objective of cost-effective decentralization? Right. Well, the first thing we should realize here that who's responsible for aligning the cost of developing, and that is going to be the program manager. Program manager will have the responsibility of doing it. Let's look at the other statements. The SRO is responsible for providing the overall guidance and direction for the program, and they are accountable. Right? This is the big difference. They're accountable for the alignment of programs and projects and programs for the objectives. The role here, program manager, is responsible for doing the alignment. The SRO is accountable, so there's a big difference there. He's responsible for getting the work done. This one's for making sure that it is actually all working as it should be. From that point of view, it all fits in well, and therefore accountable for making decisions about whether it's going to work or not. BCMs may be provided some sort of consultation to there, and the project manager is just there to deliver the work, only making sure that the scope's delivered within program and project tolerance scope for that particular part of the project. In this case, Project 5, New Working Practices. So the answer there is A. Right. Now, B, I beg your pardon. It's not A, B. I beg your pardon. The answer there is B. 2. Which role is accountable? Now, here's the difference. Remember, responsible and accountable. And we've already made this point up here. So accountability lies with the senior responsible owner. In this case, this would be the answer. Right? So once again, the similar rationale from above, flipping it around, the program manager is responsible for making sure that the practices meet the objectives, but again, the overall decision and accountability lies with the senior responsible owner. BCMs may be consulted if necessary, and once again, the project manager is only there to just run the program projects to deliver the objectives, right? So therefore, this has nothing to do with the project manager at this point. Accountability is further up the chain and ownership of it all. So there are the answers there, 1B, 2A. Again, read through the chapter for further clarification on responsibilities for the transformational flow delivering the capability, which is included in the chapter towards the end. And there's a grid right at the very end that shows all that. Otherwise, seek clarification with a tutor if you're still not sure and want sort of further help and advice, and use the portal on the platform to do just that. Thank you.